Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm the Chess Nerd, and today we won't be unboxing this portable wooden chess set, but we will be unboxing this.
Welcome to my unboxing of a chessboard ready for anything.
So today I'm unboxing with this charger, because I had nothing else in my house. So here we are. And if you guys are asking at home, yes, I am sitting down. The reason why, if I sit up, I won't be in the camera frame. So, you know, 'tis what it is, the life of somebody who's tall. So, okay, let's open this up. Almost there, there we are. Ooh, fresh packaging. Yo, this is sick. Okay, so, this is it. Wow, what is this? Mission accomplished. This is VentureBoard. 1 game board, 36 chess pieces, 16 piece stickers, and 1 carrying sack for 2 players. This is a next level technology. Let's look at this. So this is sponsored video from VentureBoard. Thank you again to VentureBoard for sending me this beautiful piece of art. Let's see how it unfolds here. My first time opening this. Whoa, okay. Ooh. Okay, so this is a nice little sack to put your pieces in. So this is more like for when you travel and you want to play on a digital chessboard. Oh, they even have stickers for if you lose a piece, which the owner of the company told me it's kind of rare that you do lose a piece because they stick so well. So this is the innovation. Okay, so here you go. So the thing that's really cool about this is that, okay, let's say you play here, e4, e5, e4 best by test. You can fold up this board, as he showed me, okay? Put it in your bag, you can put it in here or whatever, and then you can open it back up anytime, and your game is preserved. The second thing he told me, which is crazy, is that the innovation here, okay, usually when I use this wooden portable chess set, which is really good, it's magnetic, it's really, really nice. The problem is, and this is a true story, when you're playing a move, you put the piece up and through, right? On this board, you only move your pieces on it. So the piece never detaches, okay? This is big, because I almost lost a very valuable chess piece. Have you ever lost in a magnetic chess piece, a small chess piece like this? I was in an airplane, and at the end of the flight, I lost a rook. I was like, oh my god, we don't have a rook anymore. Like I was putting them back in their sockets, right? I was putting back each piece in its socket and I forgot the rook, right? And it took me, I'm not gonna lie, it took me about 15 to 20 minutes after the plane had gone on the ground and my parents were waiting for me. I was looking for the piece 20 minutes on the plane. It was like stuck in this little interval. You know how airplane seats are. And I was frightened to lose a piece because they're so hard to replace. On this board, right, you always bring your pieces on this board. They always stick to this board. Let's go d5, theory, still theory. And we have replacement pieces, which is amazing. You know, you just stick the sticker on the replacement piece and you're already fine. You're studying theory, you gotta go, your flight has landed, or you need to go on a bike somewhere. You just fold this up, put this back in, and voila, in 2 seconds, right? You put this in your bag and you go. Then, when you're ready, it doesn't misplace my pieces. It's as if, and now I remember, oh yes, I had to take back the b-pawn. So, I hope you enjoyed this lovely unboxing. It's been a while since I've done one, I think 3 months. So keep it healthy. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, shout out to VentureBoard. Their Kickstarter campaign is gonna be in the description link if you wanna follow that, if you wanna pledge. And yeah, have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. By the way, you guys, this is white to play in checkmate in 5 moves. A study created by Adolf Anderson. I'll give the solution in next video. Hope you enjoy this. By the way, there's a knight on e8 there, and there's a pawn on a6 here. Try to solve it on your own, and I'll give the solution next video.